Say not be only they disabled.
Disability dey for this.
Say if you get big belly,
yeah, pot belly.
You are disabled.
You are very, very disabled.
If you get, if you are short,
you are very,
you are disabled.
very, very disabled. And if you are tall, you are also very disabled.
You are also disabled.
You are very disabled. That has to collect form now remain. Because if you get big belly, you cannot lie down with your chest.
Okay, so that's disability.
That is disability.
Oh.
You get some kind of shirt where you not feel wear. Then if you are short, you know you're already low. Then if not for men, you know, tall men, you could just if you're in the ugly ladies, you could just smell with one when on spoil.
So that one are disability.
That's disability.
Oh.
You know. Then if you get stretch mark, you are disabled. You get especially kind of stretch mark if you take wire like too flat.
Okay, that one are disability.
Yeah, not disability. Anything where person look you 2 times, not disability.
BB 89.9 Yanga FM.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, good evening to you. And happy Sunday. How far? How your day to go now? This one a very amazing evening to you, to me, to everybody who hear our voice right now because on a special Sunday. All right, 89.9 Yanga FM, the station with Sabina here with Day Lagos. What's up? And the show where they give joy, happiness for Lagos, and at the show don't begin. We they call our comedy clinic. So all you need to do not to relax yourself and do us a favor. Call somebody. Tell the person to make it tune in to 89.9 Yanga FM. Let's enjoy, let's laugh, let's learn, and let's enjoy. You understand? It's all about happiness. All right, today, the 13th of July, 2025. Oh my God. For the people who just joined us, maybe you don't know who they talk to you. My name is Rocket Pastor. Yeah, about five women, they call me Ama Sugar, Lege, Laga, Logo. Oh, logo. I know how we do. I'm on top of the show every Sunday. I will go invite one superstar Nigerian comedian. Maybe very soon go enter Africa. But for now, Nigeria will deal with first. Charity begins at home. All right. One of Nigerian finest comedian deal with us today as usual. This one, a person will say you go like to hear his voice. Now, oh geez. And the guy don't try for the industry. The guy don't try face on show. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the one and only Crazy Legs.
I didn't get something. The jam things so you put glue for him. You're not the glue something.
If to say the word, then me I for use my head.
I beg. Did you say your head? You will be like waiting the food. Please take it easy.
No. Sometimes you need to do something crazy. You know, something abnormal.
Now the crazy one I do so very carry me reach where I do so. You have to be careful with your crazy. Let us be very, very careful. It's very wonderful and nice to join Unawe Day Yanga FM 89.9 Lagos. The station where Sabi. I can see. I tell you about the rugged. Since you don't tell me, say the station don't come. I don't listen to this station.
Oh, nice.
And I like the way where the vibe
they go.
It's very jazzic in nature, you know.
No, that's so.
I like him.
People they be say pigeon are just for our mama,
you they
our
tell
papa.
you. What you say? What are you saying?
But now we do the pigeon.
They had pigeon inside the pure English there. What do you call it now? You sabi.
You sabi. All right, we're there with Crazy Legs. Now one crazy comedian, we're funny, but I know that you're funny die anyway.
Funny, but if you don't finish the profile, you know, I'm Crazy Legs ACFR.
Okay.
Able comedian of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Nigeria's first physically challenged stand-up comedian. I'm physically challenged. I not gree for those who are normal.
You get one of your joke where anytime I remember that joke and they laugh.
I not gree.
What reminded the joke?
Remind me now.
You got one joke where you talk wherever you go one show. Crazy like you know where.
I know.
He talks say not be only they disabled.
Exactly. Disability day for this.
So if you get big belly,
yeah, pot belly.
You are disabled.
You are very, very disabled.
If you get if you are short,
you are very,
you are disabled.
very disabled. And if you are tall, you are also very disabled.
You are also disabled.
You are very disabled. That has to collect form now remain. Because if you get big belly, you cannot lie down with your chest. Hello.
Okay, so that's disability.
That is disability.
Oh.
You get some kind of shirt where you not feel wear.
Oh.
They have to sew your own. You know. Then if you are short, you know you're already low. You know. So, and then if you are tall, you have your own because you get some place where you not feel enter. Then if not for men, you know, tall men, you could just if you're in the ugly ladies, you could just smell with one when on spoil.
So that one are disability.
Disability.
Oh.
You know. Then if you get stretch mark, you are disabled.
Oh.
You are disabled. Yeah, especially kind of stretch mark if you take wire like too flat.
Okay, that one on disability.
Yeah, disability. You know, so anything where person look you 2 times. A disability.
What who get mad on that?
Hey, that one is a disability that can be cured if you are ready for it. But not be like I always be permanent one. We don't carry this for a very long time. You know, and by the grace of God, I've been able to support physically challenged people, get an education, leave the street, begging all the help,
No be lie.
Even parents who get children where they physically challenged, I always advise them to support their children where it gets special needs. Let them don't allow them to be independent on people. They should be dependent on themselves. They fit do things for themselves. People like me, my parents really helped me well. For my age, as I grow. As I grow for my age, don't be smart,
Child.
My own parents, my mama don't send me, my papa don't send me. See,
even with your leg,
listen to advice where person, papa, mama care. Because I know what till I reach 7 years.
Are you for real?
Yes. Imagine my papa, my mama tell me, say, if war happen for this country, we'll not go wait for you. Imagine person, papa, mama. If anything, my brother, you're your own. Nobody tell me make I begin give myself break. Anyhow, just make a move. Don't remember where you are.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, you don't hear them now. Crazy Lego there with me from now till 8 p.m. So relax yourself. Make we enjoy ourselves. When we come back from this break, we go drop the topic way on top the matter.
Yes,
no get anywhere. 89.9 Yanga FM Comedy Clinic. Now the show. We dey come back. Nah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are back.
Yes.
89.9 Yanga FM, the station we sabi. Now here we did Lagos. What's up?
Yo.
The show now Comedy Clinic. And you know how to do I'm here. We did a form because all of us we did the same. Rugged Pastor, now my nomenclature be that. But the only 5 women they call me I'm a sugar, leg, lager, logo.
Now make you go to get diabetes.
No, these sugars are refined.
Who's
they are born again sugar.
Yep. Thank God, so you had the name sugar.
They are born again sugar.
If I say they are born again bitter leaf.
All right, I'm here with one of my brother, one of Nigerian finest comedian, Crazy Legs.
Yes,
with
bro.
us here.
Yes,
all right.
Bro.
And I tell you, so when we come back, we will drop the topic. But check your time. You go see I'm say 23 minutes. Don't take Wakalipsis.
Of course.
And this matter, you get as a B. This man, he dey plan in Thanksgiving. He won't do Thanksgiving. And people call the tell and say, why do you want to do Thanksgiving? Now, why did they tell and say make you know the Thanksgiving? Now, the condition of waiting they thank God for. When I hear the story, they promote the guy to the office of manager. Because the manager wey been there their office get accident come by. So the guy come oof. You understand? I know like about 3 weeks ago that the guy oof. So they come promote this guy to the office of manager for the office. So now as he resume work, he want to do Thanksgiving to thank God for the promotion. But people come and tell and say no now. Consider the condition of how you take become oga. It's a person who been there ahead of you, been by, you can't thank God. So people go come look at like say you be the pray, make it go.
Wahala.
So now the guy there in the state of now. He there in the state of I don't know what to do.
In a state of confusion.
Confusion they have. So in the ask whether make it continue in Thanksgiving. I be make it cancel the Thanksgiving based on say the yoga where it take over from he died through accident. And people that the family people are still mourning. So you no go make sense saying come the throw party. When they go church, they say pray.
He go do the Thanksgiving quiet one. My brother
so,
do.
Abel, let us know what to be advised.
Okay.
And if now you did the guy condition, what are you going to do? Continue with your Thanksgiving, or you go pause the Thanksgiving, considering say.
Pause Thanksgiving, say what happened now. The Thanksgiving is to thank God for elevating me from where I was to a new state.
where somebody just might.
That one is not part of the arrangement. It's not a part of my Thanksgiving. Because I'm a big killer. Am I the killer of he that died? Is it me that killed it?
But you're supposed to be. You're supposed to be mourning.
Yes, I have mourned with the family. I have sympathized deeply with the family.
Now just 3 weeks.
I have spoken deeply with the family and I sympathize with them. But as life continues now, because the person there will continue work.
So you will continue your Thanksgiving.
My brother, I will kill the fattest cow. Because the Lord has done it finally. What are you telling me? They go increase that, they go increase salary, they go increase things. What are you saying?
They'll give you a stamp.
They will give me the official vehicle. They will give me allowances. And they say, well, the downfall of a man brings another uplift of another man. Hello, that's all like be. It's not me that started it, and I won't be the last person to finish it. No. See, you see, there is always a point in someone's life that somebody has to go down for others to go up. If you are, that's what they say.
Wait, is it that has been your prayer?
No, it's not. It's not a prayer, but it is the situation of elevation. The situation of elevation, the band means that.
Because the English confused me. Situation of elevation. What kind of English is this?
The elevation is that I was a normal staff and just working here until when the Lord spoke to me and remembered me. You can't say, "Can go tell the God will remember me?" You know, they hear this warrior, they say, now because say God bless you before he bless me. Now cause I'm what did they talk? Leave this thing, my brother. As the matter be now, the Thanksgiving is supposed to be with the fattest cow. To give glory to whom glory is due, which is a God.
So you don't care what people will say?
Leave what people will say. Your people there when you were suffering. Were they there when you were drinking Gary? Were they there? I don't leave that thing, my brother.
Oh my God.
You have to give trust to who tax is due. And like God, I do the matter. And I run the things for you. You
that
do it.
That
go run now.
The
time where the man want oof, you don't oof now. Others need to move on. Okay, why the company no more for them before they give me manager?
Company work have to continue.
That's what we are saying. So
company no celebrate that now.
They don't celebrate them. So what are they going to introduce you for the work?
The new GM now.
You say?
The new boss.
GM. They for say in the minds of that one not there. They don't put that there. What did I tell you? Say this is your new boss. Nobody go say in the minds of because the man die, we say we could bring you up. So your Thanksgiving has to be well packaged. In fact, make the man come and make I do the event planner for him. I will make his Thanksgiving worthwhile.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, you don't hear the matter. But we hear from you. Crazy Lord don't tell you say he go continue with sympathy. In fact, he will go and get the fattest cow. So what do you go do if now you there for this situation, or are you going to cancel this your Thanksgiving, or you go ahead with your Thanksgiving? The number to send us your WhatsApp message only now 0904 821 3013. I will call them again 0904
WhatsApp message.
Yes, only WhatsApp.
Only WhatsApp.
0904 821 3013. But if you watch us live on Facebook, Crazy Leg Day live on Facebook.
Yeah, I did live on Facebook.
Tell them so that they will feed the send message.
Yeah, if you send message to my Facebook handle, which is Crazy Legs, you go laugh on Facebook.
All right, either you send your comment for the, or you send for my own rugged pastor. We'll go read that out for you.
Send your comments.
When they come back, no get anywhere. 89.9 Yanga FM. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we don't show back. Now see 89.9 Yanga FM, the station where Sabina here with there. This show na comedy clinic, and I work here now to make sure say we make your evening a very interesting
Sunday
one.
evening.
Yeah, Sunday evening, sweet one, a funny one, amazing one, relaxable one. Which other English I will use now?
A very congummation Sunday.
Yeah,
a Sunday that has missions on it.
We have waiting.
Missions.
Missions.
Like this one.
All right, today here, Rocket Pastor, my name, and call me my sugar if you be fine woman. And then here with Crazy Legs.
Able comedian of the
Able
Federal
comedian.
Republic of Nigeria.
Of the Federal
ACFR. You must add that title. I don't buy him.
I mean, help me there.
You must add them. I don't buy him.
He said don't buy am.
Okay, somebody done. Have you read messages now?
Okay, we're going to read some of your messages.
Okay.
And for the interest of people who just join us, the matter where they grab, they say, this man want to do Thanksgiving. People they tell us, say, why do you want to do Thanksgiving? What did they happen? A Oga, a boss, die. They come promote them to the position. You understand? And at just 3 weeks, the man poof. So in now they come make him the general manager. So you want to thank God for the promotion.
Yes.
But people they tell and say, how can you be thanking God? How can you be doing party when somebody just go before they promote you? So make a cancel that party where you won't do. But the guy now they confused. So they ask you that if now you go continue with your party, I'll be go cancel that party. You understand? But we go hear from you. Send us your message like we tell you before. Only WhatsApp message now if we take 0904 821 3013. Make a call up again. 0904 821 3013. All right, what will be your take? Sharply, send us your message.
Okay.
Let's say we'll get message
Rugged.
from Facebook.
Before I read the message, may I ask you? So if you come and say the Ogana na one kind of Oga will be. I don't understand. Now Oga will not let your life. Make come and say na prayer. It's all right. Make I read the message. This one now from Abimbola Esther on Facebook, on my own Facebook page. That's a Crazy Legs. You go laugh. You can drop your messages there. We go read them out. She say, "Now promote me. I go thank God now." Which is not bad. In fact, I got this one from Josephine Odiaka Ologunla on my Facebook page, which is Crazy Legs. You go laugh. She say, "Bible say in everything give thanks." So Thanksgiving is necessary at all times. You hear them?
So you don't care what people will say.
Give thanks. Bible not say hear what people will say when you are giving thanks. He said give thanks at all times.
So what if your guy has been so nice to you?
Okay.
An amazing Oga.
Now.
Oga who showed you love.
Now the same side they tell
Oga,
you.
even when you're hungry, go dash you money.
Rugged. Now the same two they talk. If now Oga that is the sweetest Oga of the world.
You go stick it.
Now you Econ. Emilio Con. It has come. It's your turn. The man don't die. You just mourn him and celebrate him.
How long will you mourn him?
At
least 1 year now.
Say what happen. Now husband and my now your papa die, now your husband and your wife die. What is 1 year? What is the 1 year? Company where you they work for more than 1 week. What they worry you? Why they do like this?
You get what company they do when they shock me sometimes. Somebody feed us oof now. The next day company don't replace them.
What are you telling me? Business has to move on now.
True.
They will just still have to, especially if the staff has been a very wonderful staff, they will have to just celebrate, just a way to condole
like
the family,
2 minutes
just ahead.
silence.
That is the point. 2 minutes silence.
Try.
I know the ratio. That 2 minutes not ever reach 2 minutes. It is stop at 1.3 micro minute seconds.
Oh my God. All right, we need your comment. We need your comment for this particular topic. All right, what do you go do if na you? All right, let us know. I don't know whether this WhatsApp message is it that the messages that they come. I've been
it has been attacked by the
by
the powers that be.
So I beg, let us know if now you what you go do. Send us your message 0904 821 3013. What to be advised for this guy? First of all, make it continue in party. I will make it cancel that party.
You come in party, you don't go back, Shebi.
Yeah, like and
me?
a big position.
What
better company.
You know what it be GM?
Better office.
General manager. In fact, your church
office.
self go they put you for front seat.
Away.
You know they understand something quick. They go they put you for front seat. You say back they go, hey brother, this still
Oh my God. All right, we'll go here from you. Send us your message. All right, the number again at 0904 821 3013. 89.9 Yanga FM Comedy Clinic. Now the show. We dey come back. Hope we enjoy more music. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we don't show back.
You're back.
We're back. We are back.
We are back again. Daddy Mix.
911, they work for Nigeria.
No, we get our own. Not be 911. Not be short one like that. Our own na 080. Be long. Before you go remember that your phone fit die.
Oh my God! Check your time. You go see I'm say na 6:52. 8 minutes remain. Back 7 o'clock. Sit down. Cross the leg. The chop bole and fish with shade the mineral. All right. Comedy Clinic. Now the show and the rugged pastor. I'm a sugar leg logo lager. I'm here so. Exactly. And of course I dey here with my brother man, Crazy Legs.
ACFR.
AKA. What you call that?
AKA Noddy.
Okay. AKA Noddy.
Crazy Legs ACFR.
ACFR.
And now you go begin pay. You go begin pay. Used to know
for the title. Oh God, I'm very good. All right, we don't end this particular segment like this, but I don't know whether Gracie Lego will change your mind for this Thanksgiving before we wrap up this segment. Before we start the second time.
I go follow all my supporters for Facebook, all my followers for Facebook. All of them don't drop message. The three Thanksgiving, they say give thanks at all times.
Okay, more read that.
Either it good or it bad. Everybody on the talk say, we will give thanks, we will give thanks. I go give thanks, I go give thanks. If it best, they say we give thanks.
Oh, if it best, say go give thanks.
Edo man say go give thanks. Say no hold am. So what are you saying? It's not not be constituting.
I'm only considering the human in us. Your guy will love you love him just move. You want thank God say they promote you. I'm just thinking the
human they see. Say you don't even accept, say, okay, my God die, you move go do condolence visit to. That one, no. They say now where person won't stop or that person won't start. So why you go on, do yourself? They say Bible say give thanks at all times. You don't say for the particular time. Not listen to people who won't give thanks. Somebody's prayer point can be somebody else's victory. Hello.
Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we'll end our here on top of this hour.
Yes,
89.9 Yanga FM. We'll come back for the second hour. All right, ladies and gentlemen, 89.9 Yanga FM, the station where Sabi, now here we there. All right, the show now still compound Comedy Clinic.
That's where you get compound problem. You don't gotta call radio. Ew, what a life. I understand. For you to figure out enter radio, it's quite severe. It's very high.
Oh my God! Comedy Clinic na the show.
Compound people, please. Allow rugged. You don't care like on radio.
Wait now. My tomorrow show na compound wahala.
Okay. So, you don't even wait to make it reach tomorrow. Now you don't gonna enter today. Be coming down.
Oh my God. So, all right, we don't come back again. Check your time. 7 minutes. Now you don't take waka leave 7. Like you know, we'd always here at 8 p.m.
Yeah.
All right. Today na Sunday, 13th of July 2025. Rugged Pastor, na my nomenclature be that. Call me Ama Sugar Legi Logo Laga, and that's if you're a fine woman. And I don't day alone. I deal with one of Nigeria's finest comedian, able comedian, a very talented superstar comedian. And there's one thing that you got one unique thing about this guy, and a guy we don't take for the business, we don't travel far and wide. And for people who don't know, now also OAPO. Crazy Lady don't work for radio stations. So, yeah, I don't do radio. And let me also say this. And when I come Lagos, that was 2011.
Okay, 11,
2011, 2012, when I do my youth service for Lagos, I serve for National Theatre here. As a comedian, we just enter as a copper. I don't know anybody. Now, Crazy Lady carry me Wakanda ye.
Can you imagine?
Remember.
Life, eh?
Life.
See life, oh. Cripple, now they help people.
Why they behave like this now? He said, I cripple, now they help people.
It's life, no balance.
I remember one
it's time. Not a balance life.
Let me tell you what you do one day. Me and Crazy Leg that attend one show. And whether na wedding, we go MC one wedding. Now he always get wedding every Saturday. So I go call me say, "Okay, where you dey?" I said, "They has this. Say, come, we'll go." and fresh talented boy we come from Port Harcourt. When they see opportunity to perform, my blood they hot. But the guy go, guess will carry me go. But you got what thing they do, they shock me. We'll go on wedding though. We can't day, he can't late for night. As they come back, nah. On top of the bridge, they blow speed. I first pause, look in leg. My mind don't leave up. My mind don't travel. I said, what's going on here? Which leg where crazy leg they take match this motor?
For
That
you.
is like
Are you not being wicked? Person not get leg to run, no use motor to run.
Jesus.
I was wrong with something. Really, what is it?
See, for your mind, it is heavy you did that motor. I don't go house.
Yeah, somewhere else.
I've gone home. What
Yeah, but I left
did I
you.
do? Jesus, let me go home safe. Why is this guy driving this speed? And I don't have to tell her, say slow down.
That is funny.
Ah,
I know.
when you
I
drop
don't
me,
feel use like
when you drop me for what be that place I be they say Air Force
Air Force
Base
Base,
for
yes.
Ikeja. I
Okay.
said drop me for the gate. I said Jesus.
First wave your
I
hands.
said Jesus.
Raise your hands.
You have
unto
done
the
it for
Lord.
me again.
But you know
Oh
what
my
I'm
God!
saying?
Oh
You
boy!
see this
The
driving
way they
thing?
trust me there.
My brother, you have to see as the leg not the feel run. Don't run now. Let get all this all the tape, person take run. Don't be selfish in life.
Oh my
Don't be
God!
selfish.
Oh my God!
You see,
I didn't fear God.
I am not a reckless. I'm not a reckless driver. I'm a very careful driver.
Yeah, but you
But
sabi drive well.
you
That
know,
one.
I don't take
But the
for
thing they
that
fear me. I can't look. I say me when get complete full better leg. I don't feel drive like this. What did they give this guy mind to drive like this? Oh my God!
Yeah, so-
But life is good.
Yes,
Life
so
is
yes,
good.
yes,
Just
yes,
be good
yes.
to people.
Exactly.
All right. I won't lie to you. I know how many events I go that time. And I crazily carry me go. I don't even know anybody that time. Yes, through him, I can't go some comedy club.
Yeah.
Where I can meet some other comedians and the rest of them and all that. So, you know, so thank you so much. Make a thank you on air for supporting me that time.
You see, and now you are reciprocating. Oyibo is plenty. You are reciprocating the love. You see, the time they say make always you do good.
Don't be like.
You see, if there's a bad thing I do you now, like as a basket match, OAY 30,000 that time. You understand? You know?
Oh my God.
And that's why you for the talk lah.
As in,
You know, but I know you lah. Inshallah, but a good thing now. I make you remember me.
Yeah,
Say, no,
yeah.
I get person will do me
Will
good.
do me good,
You know,
yeah.
and you're not doing the good back.
No, not true.
Even though say
Not
that the
true.
do now only one Sunday, but you are doing
Don't worry.
Oh, do
If
that.
I become president tomorrow, maybe you will be among the cabinet.
okay. If you become, it's alright. It's something. At least that hope did there.
Okay, we now come again for another segment of the show, and this time around, this young man na master degree holder. Like when I mean master, he do masters confirm, and there's a job opportunity. A person where one interview or one employer no go school. The guy just stop for.
It just dey happen now. He do on social media everywhere.
The guy just go stop for, let's say, secondary school.
Na secondary school.
Or
Don't be say let's
even
say.
finish secondary school.
Na secondary school you finish.
He just finished secondary school, but right now he get employment opportunity.
It can't be money misroad.
Yeah, he said that money miss road.
Rocket finish this story well now.
And the money miss road, yeah.
Na money misroad now.
Because the guy just get money.
He don't jam money.
the
Not
guy
be
don't hit
say.
money. You understand?
Not be say na ability or education or anything. Get wetin you get.
Yeah, and
Na
he want-
money misroad.
Nah, money. Yeah.
That's what it's
So
called.
he want employ driver. We go to driver.
Hmm.
You understand? And this master degree holder, he dey look and say whether make him apply because he know this guy well. He know say this guy na small boy we just money miss road, we just collect money, we just hammer, we know if he go school, we know if he speak English.
Who I
But
got blessed before
and
that.
the guy want interview am
Can
as
you
a
imagine?
master degree holder.
Hey,
And the
what
salary na 1 million naira in a month.
Hmm.
I beg, make him collect the job. I be making no collect that job. Because it's an insult to him as a master degree holder working for person who no go school. No. It's an insult to his personality. I be make him swallow pride collect that one.
My brother swallow pride. Don't go kill you. Oga no who get certificate. Oga get no who get certificate. That certificate like they bring food. Certificate they bring wetin. They bring wetin.
Ah,
You know, remember I talk that here now. When you tell your mama say you want to become commander, what did they first tell you?
they say village people. no be play. When I want go study theater art for Uniport.
Exactly.
My father don't get problem with him. My father and a person be say anything you want.
Anywhere you want be.
As far as say the thing they okay by you go say go. My mother say wait oh. She be a bit to someone be lawyer. Say village people don't put to hand for my matter. Say who to I want come go do theater art, go the dance for Uniport. I said don't be dance with the dance, sir. He said tell us the only dance with the dance for there. You know say that time parents they see theater.
Yes now.
Say only like they say dancing now we don't
go dance.
Then they go what's the matter? You know what they do our induction.
Yeah.
Chey. My brother if you see dance.
To prove your man right.
To prove my brother right to if you say dance.
Your man go say I talk
am. Say that dance. That dance they do.
Now I don't go do for 4 years. But see am today now.
See am today now.
See am today now.
See am today.
People like coffee.
Exactly.
See am now.
Today. Did I go my mama their church? True life story. Did I go my mother their church? How for you? My mother say her level increased now. So as they introduce me for the church, say I been son. Say everybody for church come dey respect her. Say now they pet her like say na she be mommy Gio.
For person who say na dance, go dance for school.
They talk say na dance, I want to dance. Now I see am there.
Don't see am now.
Now my dance don't give you level.
See, make I tell you, aside from say Nigeria issue, rugged. Make I tell you, opportunities there for everybody for this life.
No be lie.
The only thing where they make you be like say, you know, they make am or something. Now say you they lose those opportunities when they come.
Yeah.
And because you don't use big eye, look the thing. You don't grade them. You don't say no, no. This one no. What do you know? Hunger no belle where they say no. Baba, if hungry, cash you. You can't get where they won't give you work, give you 1 million naira. Your problem now, say person want interview you, no go school. I never take concern you. I start your business.
That's you're gonna drive. But you know master degree, bro. Do you know what it's called master degree holder?
Baba, leave that thing. Now you go even the lecture. If possible, sir, if I be the person, I go to begin take that my oga on the special class. Begin teach him English. Begin teach. What did you tell me now, bro?
So you go actually collect the work. You go the interview.
What are you?
Because we see what interview we pay like they interview people the other day.
That boy number one. That boy aside from being spiritually attacked, he has other things that are following him. And he get better grace to when he join now.
That boy get grace so.
Because I tell you. Because another thing is, I like the area where the guy they come from because they like to the 10th generation say you can be successful in a very right way. You don't need to do rubbish
to be
you don't need to do nonsense to be successful.
They motivate him.
Yes,
so you can
grab it when it's important.
And
you know when they're fresh.
You know they play with that opportunity.
You know they play with them. No, it doesn't. And for them to figure out to tell you the consistency when go don't day for years,
for some time.
So if you don't understand this thing, no, I'm happy that it's coming from someone that is showing hard work. You know, many of people say, I want blue. You don't know how the person take organize in life. Yes. Take reach this blue where they blow.
You don't know the process.
You know the process.
Bro, let me tell you.
There's always a process.
Something happened. I was telling somebody one day, I say, today, I they talk every day for radio. There was a time I was begging for 5 minutes.
Exactly.
Like 5 minutes in a week. And I don't get up.
Exactly.
But I never gave up. You understand? So that life now turn by turn.
Consistency.
Yes, now.
Consistency. You have to be consistent. You know, and that consistency, you know, not versa they bring in politics into this matter small. You know, for Nigerian politics, you get some people who don't they so consistent. Where even after their consistency, they still not achieve what they want to achieve. Now because of say that your consistency, you know, they follow the right road. You know they follow no road.
Chai.
You can be consistent and be following wrong road.
And you don't go walk.
You don't go walk.
That one enter.
So you have to be very, very careful of the kind of road where you follow to make things consistent, to make things work for you. And when the concert say don't work finish, you walk out 10% a person will not go school, not be your problem.
All right, we'll hear from you. You don't hear the topic. This guy is a master degree holder, and this person we want interview, we want give a job. The guy don't go school at all. You know if he's having speak English, you understand? If they say when I make him go the interview, I'll be making no go because the boy not supposed to talk to her based on his level. as a master degree holder.
There's always a
What will be your take?
There's always a pride before you fall.
So they say I'm a pride now.
My brother had pride.
Chai. All right, we'll hear from you. 0904 821 3013. Tell us what do you think when they come back. All right, we don't show back. Now see 89.9 Yanga FM, the station with Sabi. Now here we did Lagos. What's up? How on the evening they go now? Like I always talk, try and take care of yourself. Take care of your family. This life no day too.
At all.
Just like we hear say somebody moved today. A very big person.
Yes.
For inside Nigerian politics. That's a former president. May so rest in peace.
Amen.
As Muhammadu Buhari, we just hear the news today, and well, it's okay. They say in every condition,
give thanks to God.
Give thanks to God. All right. Rocket Pastor. Now my name be that. Call me I'm a sugar. Lege logo. Logo. If you're a fine woman, and of course I know they alone. I deal with one of Nigeria's finest comedian. One guy we don't try for the industry. One guy went on travel far and wide. He has been to different countries.
That's true.
And he's here today in another country. And
in another country on top water.
On top water. And then with Crazy Legs, and we did together. Able comedian. Very
Federal Republic.
Why that able they important?
It's important. Because not everybody will get leg they use up. Everybody.
Oh my God. All right. And he be like say we get message for your side, Abi.
Yes, message day concerning this. Abimbola Esther say certificate no dey work for this country.
Oh.
If I am the person, I go collect the job. Quickly, fast.
So what if the person, a person where he look like say go insult you?
Baba, you said I look like you never insult. Now look like you talk.
Like the guy they insult people.
Make it first happen. See, man, tell you something. But this is my life. I don't work with some very, very interesting people. Okay. I don't go to them very, very interesting people. But whenever I remember, say at the end of the month, salary will be paid.
Come. Ew.
I go swallow him.
Oh, my brother, I get what I know with you.
My brother, you go swallow him.
I tell you what happened to me. Where you know, I don't GC you. That's why I call you service.
Yeah.
You know, when I did camp, I was popular. You understand? For camp. You don't say for camp that time. If I don't really see they do them now. If you're popular for camp, based on say be comedian or entertainer, they will tell you say make you decide where you want to serve.
Okay.
You know, and for Lagos, they go tell you say if you have a place you can bring later, they go post you go there. So they can't ask me. Say I'd always make them happy for camp. I may be the best comedian that time. Me and one guy, what they call Lucky. Two of them they do comedy that time. So they can't say make I find where I go serve. So I can't choose one radio station. I don't call the name. You know the radio. I can't choose one radio where they talk pitching too. Say I want to go serve there. Nah, they come post me go there. I can't reach there. So the people can't say they no get space for where I feel they talk for radio. Yeah. But say get one department where they free. Whether I go like go there. I say yeah. They say but the first time he said the Organia no good though. they want me first so say the Organia. So make I need to collect all kind of insult. Say the guy go do me shege. As me and the phone on Jazzy. I said don't worry I go work with her. Say no I'm one man that can work with.
Yeah,
I say I'm one man that can work with anybody.
That's
I can,
it.
Because my brother I need to serve now.
That's it.
And they post me go there. The first time I see the guy the first time when he jam me, he say, so which kind useless boy I be? And the first thing tell me, so which kind useless boy I be? So what are they do here? I said, nah, you service. Say, what are they serve?
Youth.
The guy first wash me, first they insult me, first curse me. I come say, okay, maybe that the first time, say maybe go change.
You go change as time goes on.
Because say they tell us say I be comedian, I make people laugh. He go call two people, say make them call, say I make them laugh. Just like that too.
That one join for the work.
I said this one don't follow for the work. He said make I make them. My brother, that's how I start to get crack joke. That guy show me shaggy. That's how I get crack joke.
No, this about the matter you say.
That guy show me shaggy. But when I show you,
okay.
So I come and say, so as the guy they show me shaggy. That office, they get outside the office. If they insult you here, everybody they see you. So as the guy they insult me, people then they boss laugh. They call they say this guy I don't know who he jam. She said go fit walk. So as he finish with me, I see they come out, they come and say yeah. Take heart. Because you know that can't when they say take it, don't worry, you will cope. Just calm down. You'll be fine.
Oh, you are not fine actually.
Oh no, I don't fine. That time.
The fine is far from you.
This guy, my guy, Egos.
Okay, yeah.
I can't go tell Egos, Egos, it's just like if you do this, Egos, don't worry, you try.
You actually be fine.
You try. My brother, after the guy sought me for 1 week, so another thing we do, Egos say make I go write proposal. So I want to do show. Make I put all the big comedians. I go write proposal, give him. He say, "Bia, make I come." So why they put? I go die 5 million. When I go pay him?
But I used to make you put that.
I used to make a company proposal. This guy give me insult of my life, and people they laugh. You know, if I call the office, you go no, you go laugh because that office, other people when they there. Go they see. That's what the office do.
They open up.
The office they open. So if they insult you, that general insult.
Where the echo?
The echo.
Where the echo?
The guy give insult you. Say why I put I go put basket man. Say who I get money to pay. He insult me finish. I saw the guy finish that insult. That day, I go meet them one by say I'm leaving. They say I said I don't resign. They say copper they resign. I say let me be the first copper. We're gonna resign. Exactly. And then they work again.
To make history.
So the guy went to me he said, but I told you. You say you can cope. I said, okay, I don't feel cope again. I said I don't work again.
You know, I used to have one of guys like that. Where the man that always hear me. Before I go talk anything, you go hear me. Say, but I go sit down. You see your leg. You know, go take your leg, go sit down one place.
Can you imagine?
The man, I call the keep the man quiet. They look this man. Say with hope. Okay, one day God go touch your heart. Truth to God touch your heart. He can't break leg.
We can't break leg.
He break one leg. God they use walking stick. Then because they answer now. Okay, father.
How's your leg?
Are you coping? You know what you know what you are feeling.
You know what you have
you
done.
know what, yeah, exactly.
Oh man, and see life today.
Till I leave that company, the man be my friend.
Now see life today. When I come back Lagos, I actually go ask of the guy. They say he's nowhere to be found now. Like in life, when person don't know
in whereabouts.
Like in life, just
exactly
scatter. Like he's looking for how to survive now.
How you not good day?
That guy show me shege. And this guy might shock you. This guy Rabino.
Oh, I don't know who you talk.
He said no.
I don't know who you talk.
This guy showed me shege. And they find out, tell her, how are you? My name is Roger Pastor. Do you remember me? He showed me shege. Oh my God. All right, when they come back, we'll see the 89.9 Yanga FM, the station where Sabi don't get anywhere. Wait.
Sounds like worship.
The song, they be like, they put me to another mood.
You lift your hands.
I mean,
But make sure so you don't shave the hair where you're happy. Avoid some very.
Avoid the hair.
Like who's honored.
Oh my God. All right, we don't come back. We don't like to go far
at all
because we are working with you. And we're trying to make sure that you're happy and you're good.
And your Sunday is going.
And your Sunday is going well. All right. So 89.9 Yanga FM, the station where Sabi. Now here with the show na comedy clinic. Now here with the cure all the high blood pressure. Because laughter is medicine. Very good one.
Good one.
And there's something about this show.
Maybe I go.
There's something about this show. The comedians where you go pay money to watch.
Exactly.
Live and I will bring them here. Courtesy Nyanga FM to make you laugh.
Exactly.
See, anything go make you laugh, don't take and play.
At all.
All right. So that's why we do this. Rocket Pastor, my name. Call me Ama Sugar if you be fine woman. And of course, I stay here with my brother man, one of Nigeria's funniest comedian, Crazy Legs. And
able comedian of the Federal Republic.
You get some of your jokes, so I try to remember that you want don't forget. Crazy Legs, remind me that.
You know, say nowadays we do content. You know now content creation.
Only Crazy Legs go.
Now all our comedy, all our jokes now they do comedy
content. Now they do content now. Yeah, don't be lie. You get one way they do that. Crazy Legs would come stage like this. You could say one crack some joke for where he go cuss himself. He go yab himself.
He
go yab himself.
Now be the thing of
people go laugh.
Now be comedy.
People go fall for chair.
Now comedy where we know be that. It not be comedy of nowadays where it be like say comedians don't turn beggars.
Oh my God.
We don't turn comedy to begging. Before the people go respect you and people go appreciate you when you make them laugh genuinely.
True.
You know, not be say you don't see person begin insult the person. See person will carry bad head begin to cause am. You know, so when you can use yourself. I trained under the comedy chief himself. That is the father of Nigerian comedy, Ali Baba. I trained with him 1 year and 6 months. I learned work for a hand.
Nice.
And he said to get good content. Content is everywhere.
No be lie.
You know, you have to create content. Use yourself is a content.
No
People
be
when
lie.
they're around you are content.
Content.
You have to be very, very intelligent to become a comedian. That's the truth.
Yeah.
You are going to link comedians like people. I better leave this people laugh. Before I go fit make you laugh. That's this I don't actually work on some certain things to fit attract your laughter. You know, so don't look at comedians like nobody. Or comedians are different from clowns.
And people they feel say, okay, no, I think that was before, but now people don't see as a comedians now they go school.
No, they know
are
that
very
one.
intelligent.
No, they know that one.
Some comedians are master degree holders.
Comedians are different from clowns.
Yeah.
A clown is somebody that will just make you laugh out of his actions and everything. A comedian gives you a message that makes you laugh and you learn from it.
True.
You know,
True.
so all the time does how they cost myself. No, I like to tell people say even as I be like this, we dey physically challenged. Not me saying a limit to anything when you want to achieve.
You want to achieve.
And that would not say if they give me work of 1 million, I no go do one. Either the person go school, you no go school.
Chai.
I go do one.
You go do a.
What a normal person can do, I too can
You can do it better.
Exactly. That's the point. To listen that they say we could run now, and their problem go there. But if you look me for Facebook or you look me for Yanga FM,
but I find you be fine guy.
Excuse me.
Fresh guy.
Excuse me. Not to spoil you. Now the middle not to.
But that time when they grow, where to go? You know when to go did that time? That time when they child girls for to go. You really child girls that time?
No, I don't do that kind of thing.
Because if you, I can't imagine say if you child girl that time for to go, they don't see this side. The only side.
Now when they want to see you real life.
When they want to see you real life, because are you the one?
No, this is what happened to me really.
Are you serious?
That's why they check babes, you know. I sit down on my own. The babe come follow me sit down for fast food. Say,
wow,
I would like to join you. You know, you look so
fine
nice.
Boy.
Fine boy. You know, speak English. If I go speak English, go for an answer and say, excuse me, let me go and use the restroom. As I stand up, right, the girl say, No. I don't want. My brother na stammerer. My other brother get bull leg. I want to go marry who get kill leg. No. But these days, women don't care again, though. Husband, they have.
If you get money, you are sexy.
You are anyhow you be you.
For you.
What are you telling me?
I bet when they come back, don't get anywhere. All right, ladies and gentlemen, time don't reach for us to say bye-bye.
Don't be small.
It just be like say, but we don't go.
Oh, we remember this in our studio, say they cool. Why we take gold now? Oh, now for us give me small line on my packam. Oh,
don't worry.
This Yanga FM studio is too. That's what they call the station where Sabi. I see the Sabiness in you.
Don't be lie.
It's quite. You have a very thick Sabiness.
Oh,
that's following you.
Don't be lie. But we have to go. So special thank you to everybody who joined us.
Yes, sir.
God bless you. This new week, God will grant your heart desire.
Amen.
I pray for you as a man of God.
Amen.
And I decree peace, favor, so much money in your account this week.
I receive, but work for it.
No, you go work for it, but don't be saying that free. I have to work for it. All right, thank you so much. God bless you. A special thank you to my friend and brother, Crazy Legs,
yes,
for coming through.
Yes,
God bless you.
Yes, sir.
God bless you. I'm going to meet on tomorrow on top Compound Wahala, 9 to 11 p.m. Me and Baby Lawyer. You know, as the show, they've been a very amazing show. Don't miss it, all right? But for now, follow us on top of all our social media handles at YouTube. Okay, no. IG, Instagram, TikTok, X, Facebook, Yanga 899 FM. All right. The YouTube now, Yanga FM Nigeria. Follow us. Follow me too at I Am Rocket Pastor for Instagram, X, I Am Rocket Pastor, TikTok, I am Rocket Pastor. Facebook, Rocket Pastor. YouTube, Rocket Pastor TV. Follow my guy to Crazy Legs.
Crazy Legs ACFR on all platforms. Crazy Legs _ ACFR on X. Crazy Legs ACFR on YouTube. Crazy Legs ACFR. Crazy Legs You Go Laugh on Facebook.
Okay.
Then every other platform now Crazy Legs
ACFR.
Yep.
All right. Thank you so much. Enjoy your evening. God bless you. Keep listening to Yanga FM 89.9, the station where Sabi. Crazy Leg, God bless you for coming through.
Thank you, Brother Lee.
And I prophesy this week is your week.
Yeah.
Go.
Okay.
I receive.
I don't collect them.
TV 89.9 Yanga FM.